Exodus Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Exodus Wallet app isn't just a wallet you won't believe what happens next. It combines secure storage, portfolio tracking, and exchange features all in a visually intuitive interface, making crypto management simple and even enjoyable. On the pro side, Exodus supports over 200 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several stablecoins. The app allows users to exchange crypto directly within the wallet, eliminating the need for multiple platforms. It provides a visually appealing portfolio tracker with live charts and asset performance metrics. Security is solid with private key control stored locally on your device and optional biometric login. Users can also connect to hardware wallets like Trezor for added protection. On the cons side, Exodus is primarily a software wallet, so it's more vulnerable to device compromise compared to hardware wallets. While it has some security features, it lacks two-factor authentication built in. Transaction fees for on-chain transfers are set by the network and can be high during congestion. Advanced trading features are limited compared to dedicated exchanges. In conclusion, Exodus Wallet app is perfect for users seeking a visually appealing, easy-to-use wallet with built-in exchange and portfolio tracking. While it's not the most secure option for large holdings without hardware integration and lacks advanced trading tools, its simplicity, multi-asset support, and design make it a great choice for everyday crypto management.